Hey guys, Eric again. I'm going to be swapping out these reflectors, front and rear. I'm going to show you the install on the front and the rear and the removal in a second. Only going to do one side so it doesn't take too long, but quick. I'm also going to do a little unboxing. Box that I got it in. All the reflectors are technically the same, so put those back in there. And the bottoms are the same way. There you guys have it. Fronts and rears. And then they're labeled on the thing, so better do it that way. So I'm just going to be removing one T10 bolt. And it's actually right here. Maybe I gotta remove this one. So, not sure if you guys can see that. Orange clip right there, orange clip on the bottom. You can technically on the 19 access the bottom one from right in this vent, and then the top one, same way. Just pop right out, grab that. The new one, make sure we got the right one. To be correct. We also got to remove this connector. Remove this from this guy. Remove the bulb. It just pulls right out. Slide right in. Right in. Reconnect. Tug. Seems to be good. Let's sit like that for a minute. And then go to the rear. Rear will be pretty easy also. Bolt right there. I don't know if you can see it. Only the one. Straight out. Same thing. Pull the lining out a little bit. Finger behind there. And then you got your top one right at the top, and then bottom one. Hopefully you guys can see it. Right out. The same thing with this guy. Again, just remove the bulb. Don't even have to actually take the piece off. Alright, thanks guys. That's those reflectors. They're from JW Motorsports. So if you ever want to look him up, a good guy. Pretty good reflectors for the price. So, alright, bye.